Okay, this tutorial will demonstrate how to receive tender on a sale. So you'll see I rang up a few items here. I'm going to hit F1 to go to the total screen. And now you'll see the cursor positioned at the type field. Below are the available payment types for this particular installation, and these are pretty much a default for most customers. I'm going to receive a payment type of cash by typing in 1 and field plus, and then enter the amount received. So I'm going to say it's $10 cash, 1000, followed by field plus. You'll see my cash payment appear, and my balance due is reduced by that amount. Now, some payments have other requirements. For instance, a check, if I type in 2 and field plus and take a $15 check, that's going to require a check number and a driver's license. As far as the name and address for the customer and phone number, that can be made mandatory, but by default, the only thing that's needed is the check number and driver's license number. Okay, for credit card payment, I can type in 4, field plus, and I can specify an amount, but if I leave the amount blank, it'll default to charging the full balance due. So if I just leave that blank, it'll prompt me to swipe the credit card. If I cannot swipe the card for some reason, I can use F10 for a manual entry, and I can type in the card number, expiration date as it appears on the card, and the name on the card. Likewise, if I had to call in for an authorization, I can type in the number, expiration, and name, and then press F5 to enter the authorization code. Typically, the system will automatically prompt you for that authorization code, but if for some reason you are offline and already obtained one, you can do that to avoid charging the card twice. I'm going to press F3 to cancel that and go back to demonstrate how to redeem a gift certificate. Now, a gift certificate does require a gift certificate number, just like a store credit or a gift card. I'm going to type in 11, field plus, and I'll take $50. Now, after entering the amount, it'll ask me for the reference number for that gift certificate, at which point I can scan it. Now, let's say the person lost the gift certificate. You could do a credit search by hitting F7, and you can search by name or the store or the amount. I'm going to search by amount. Let's search starting at a $25 amount. So here's a credit number 7 is $25. Okay, you could see if and when it was redeemed, what receipt it was redeemed on, and if there was a name posted to the gift certificate or store credit, you'd see that name here as well. So let's redeem store credit number 7. I can choose 1 and field plus, and that was enough to pay the remaining balance on the order, and now it shows the change due. As you can see, you can receive multiple payments on a transaction, and that is the tutorial for taking payments on an order.